Mayibuye is a youth-led organisation. We currently have projects in Australia, South Africa and Cambodia.
Hi, I'm Nancy. I'm 17 and I'm part of Mayibuye, and I love dancing. Dancing is my passion. Yeah, it's just a good opportunity for us, to show off to people and show others that what we can do.
We engage with young people through performing arts and run educational workshops around the issues that they're facing. We then encourage our students to put on community performances which promote healthy decision making amongst their peers. In South Africa, we currently have 3 projects in Pietermaritzburg, Hammersdale and Umlazi, and our focus really is to encourage the young people to be the positive role models that their communities need.
I love dancing because it's my passion. It's what comes within me. I like it. It's like, you see, when I dance and I hear the music, it's like my body starts shaking. I don't know why. I was born to do it. I just like it.
In Australia, we are currently working in Morwell and Melbourne, and we're really excited to be launching in 5 new locations over the next couple of months in Kinglake, Wonthaggi, Werribee, Frankston and Bendigo. And our goal is to create a safe space for young people from different cultural backgrounds to come together and gain understanding and cooperation, in the hope that when they're older and leaders, we can reduce the amount of discrimination and racism.
Welcome to Mayibuye, Cambodia. Here in Takao, we provide arts-based educational programs to youth in rural communities.
We have projects in Tropentria and Tropenstock, and we're trying to move away from the rote learning system by encouraging young people through the arts to think more independently and creatively so that they can initiate the change that they want to see.
It's been really amazing to see how much the young people have grown in self-confidence and problem solving.